Hey, welcome to Coder Abhijit's YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to write the code smartly and see the output in real time. Now to write code smartly like this. First, open Google Chrome and search VS Code. Now click on the first link and download VS Code software according to your operating system. I will download it for my operating system. Now install the VS Code software. To install the VS Code software, right-click on the software and click Run as Administrator. Now accept the license and click Next. Then check or tick all the boxes and click Next, then click Install. I will not install it because I already installed this software on my PC. Now open VS Code search extension HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This extension will help you when you type two letters. This will show code based on the two letters. Like when I type the it will show div, and more related to this extension. Now see the output in real time. You have to add an extension, Live Server. Now if you have watched this video till the end, then I will share with you some bonus extensions. Prettier Plus. Install this extension. When you will install this extension will help you when you copy code and paste the code in VS Code. This will arrange your code in the right order. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment if you want part 2 of this video.